Are you looking for the best seed spreaders? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best seed spreaders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Scott's Wizz Spreader. The Scott's Wizz Spreader is a convenient handheld battery-powered spreader designed for year-round use with grass seed, fertilizer, weed control products, salt, and ice melt. Capable of covering up to 2,500 square feet, it features a 5-foot broadcast width that ensures quick and even application across lawns and driveways. The spreader is equipped with EdgeGuard R technology, which helps direct materials precisely where needed while keeping product off sidewalks and landscaping. With 23 adjustable spreader settings, users can achieve accurate and consistent coverage for different materials. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the Scott's Wizz Spreader provides effortless one-handed operation, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, it's a versatile tool that simplifies lawn care and winter maintenance throughout the year. Number 2. EarthWay Products 1001 Seeder. The EarthWay 1001 Precision Garden. Seeder is a durable and efficient tool designed to make planting row crops faster and more accurate for home gardeners and small-scale growers. Built with a lightweight yet sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum frame and rust-resistant wheels, it ensures long-lasting performance in various soil conditions. The Seeder comes with 7 interchangeable seed plates, allowing users to plant a wide range of crops such as sweet corn, beans, peas, carrots, radishes, spinach, beets, and lettuce. Its adjustable furrow opener lets you set the desired planting depth, while the built-in row marker ensures consistent spacing between rows for even organized planting. As you push the seeder, it automatically opens the soil, drops the seeds, covers them, and lightly packs the ground, all in one smooth motion. Ideal for use in well-prepared soil, the EarthWay 1001 provides gardeners with precision, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify the planting process and achieve uniform seed distribution. Number 3, Agri-Fab 4502A8 175 lb Spreader. The Agri-Fab 4528 175 Towel behind lawn and garden. Drop spreader is a heavy-duty, high-capacity tool designed for efficiently spreading seed, fertilizer, salt, or ice melt across large areas. Built with a 17-gallon, 175 lbs rust-proof polyhopper and a 42-inch controlled drop spread width, it ensures even and precise material distribution, minimizing waste by dropping material directly between the wheels. The spreader can cover up to 40,000 square feet, roughly 1 acre, on a single fill, making it ideal for large lawns and gardens. It features a galvanized steel agitator for smooth material flow, pneumatic tires for easy maneuverability over varied terrain, and a universal hitch for quick attachment to most lawn and garden tractors. The adjustable flow control allows for customized application rates depending on the material being used. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, the Agri-Fab 450288 provides professional-grade results for homeowners and property managers maintaining expansive outdoor spaces year-round. Number 4, EarthWay 2150 Spreader. The EarthWay 2150 Commercial 50 lb broadcast fertilizer spreader is a durable and professional-grade walk-behind spreader designed for precision and long-lasting performance in lawn and garden care. It features a 50-pound capacity rust-proof polyhopper mounted on a sturdy epoxy-coated steel frame, making it ideal for spreading fertilizer, seed, or other granular materials. The spreader utilizes EarthWay's patented EVN Spreadar 3-hole drop shutoff system and side spread control, ensuring an even and accurate distribution pattern while preventing overspreading near sidewalks and flower beds. Its adjustable T-handle offers comfortable control for users of different heights, while the large 13-inch pneumatic stud tires provide excellent traction and stability on rough or uneven terrain. The fully enclosed gearbox protects the internal components from debris and moisture, ensuring smooth, consistent operation in all weather conditions. Built for both residential and commercial use, the EarthWay 2150 combines precision, durability, and ease of use, making it a top choice for homeowners, landscapers, and grounds maintenance professionals. Number 5, Byers Products ATVS 15A Spreader. The Buyers Products ATVS15A ATV all-purpose broadcast spreader is a durable and versatile spreader designed to transform your ATV into an efficient all-season spreading system. Featuring a 15-gallon rust-proof polyethylene hopper that holds up to 200 pounds of material, it's ideal for spreading grass seed, fertilizer, rock salt, or even deer feed throughout the year. The spreader offers a broadcast width of up to 30 feet, ensuring wide and even coverage across lawns, fields, and trails. It mounts easily to an ATV's utility rack using a quick detach vertical mount bracket, allowing for fast installation and removal. Powered by a sealed 12-volt motor, it provides reliable performance in all weather conditions, while the adjustable shutoff gate lets users control material flow directly from the driver's seat. A weather-resistant lid keeps contents protected from moisture and debris, ensuring smooth, consistent spreading. Built for durability and convenience, the Buyers Products ATVS15A is perfect for property owners, landscapers, and hunters looking for a rugged, high-capacity spreader for year-round applications.